What's up, guys? Welcome back. So in this video, we are going to deploy our site that we did in the last episode. So there's two ways inside of Bolt to deploy our site. So first is going to be their built-in hosting. That gives us a yoursite.bolt.host domain, and that allows us to connect different things that we'll do next. Like we could connect an Airtable, we could connect analytics service, we could connect whatever we need because we actually have like a live host to use. And then the other one is we could put this site on something like, say, Netlify. Bolt has a couple integrations built in with Netlify that we can do, and we can do that right from the Bolt UI. And I guess actually the third option too is we could download our site as like a zip file, and then we could take our static file and we could put it, or files, because we would have our index, our HTML index page, we would have our style sheet, and then we would have our JavaScript. And we could put those on anything. We could put that on Netlify, we could put that on AWS, we could put that on a virtual private server. We have a lot of options there. But I think for this, the easiest thing to do for now, just to get started into the next section to connect this to our Airtable or Google Sheets database, is going to be to use Bolt's built-in hosting. So there's a pretty easy way to do this. So we can just come right into here and we can hit publish. So let's go into here and we will publish our project. So this is going to be, Bolt is going to do this for us. So let's give it a second and then we'll see what this looks like. Okay, so after about a minute or so, Bolt came back with this and it gave us a link. So let's click on this link. And boom, here's our site. And that looks pretty good for right now. So what we can do is this long string of characters, not super pretty, but it's good enough for like connecting to other services and stuff. So this is good enough for now. And in the next video, let's connect this to our Airtable or our Google Sheets so we can connect this form to actual responses, and then we'll go from there.